Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have a whole big bag of garbage here. We're going to finally go through my newest batch of empties. These are products that I've liked so much that I have actually finished them up. I'm going to let you know which ones I would repurchase, which ones I will probably never use again, and all of that. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my empties and sort through, as my husband likes to call it, my trash, stay tuned. All right, so there seems to be quite a bit of hair care in here this month. So the first item is from Aussie. It is the 3-Minute Miracle Curl Deep Conditioner. I've been trying to use some more affordable hair products for curly hair, just because I know I tend to use a lot of expensive stuff on my channel, and I did want to try things that were a little more on the affordable side. And I really liked this. It was like $4. It lasted forever. On the days where I didn't want to do a full wash, but I also felt like I needed a little hydration, I got to use this as a mask. It was part of my regular everyday curl routine, and I was very happy with it. Now, I did pair that with the next item as well. This is the Pattern Conditioner for Curlies. This is the medium of the light, medium, and coil being the heaviest curl pattern. Brandon uses the one for coilies. I use the one for curlies. I'm really a big fan of it. Pattern has slowly become one of my favorite hair care brands. I know they recently launched in Target. Now, if you're not familiar, Pattern is Tracee Ellis Ross's brand. So obviously, you know, we already love her, so her products are going to be great too. But I currently, in my bathroom, at all times, have their Detox Clarifying Shampoo, their daily, or their Curl Wash Day shampoo. So I have both shampoos. I have the conditioner for me, the conditioner for Brandon, and the curl cream, and I'm really happy with that. The only thing in the line I have not tried, actually I have the brush too. The only thing in the line I have not tried are the styling products, as in the gel, which is eventually on my list of something I would like to try, but right now I have quite a few of the additional gels on deck, so I don't need it at this moment. But you will see in upcoming hair routines and hair videos and hair favorites, Pattern is a very frequent flyer. I have spoken about this a few times. This is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Repair Cream. Will not repurchase, will not use again. They have two different leave-in conditioners. I find the other one to be so much better. That's the one that I've already replaced this with. It is in my bathroom. It's just better. It is a thicker consistency. I find it emolliates into my hair better. My hair feels healthier when I use it. It is less breakage. It is a little smoother. I was recently in New York and my mom trimmed my hair because I don't let anybody touch my hair. Brandon and I like shave the sides down and the top just kind of grows. And my mom took off all of my dead edges, which was about 2 inches of trim that had to come off. And I have noticed as soon as that happened, my curls got a lot tighter and my hair has felt healthier. But even before that, I noticed when I switched from this to the other leave-in, I already saw an improvement in my hair's texture. I don't normally talk about body products, but the Harry's body wash, the Redwood scent, it's from Target. It's broken because when it was empty, I threw it out of my shower and it smashed and broke on the tile floor of my bathroom. But I'm really a big fan of the scent. I really find that it's not... Here's the thing, with men's body products, they either are super rugged and manly, or they leave a film on you and you don't feel clean. This does neither. I think the scent is really nice. It is the orange one, and I'm a big fan of it. Will repurchase. It's already back in my shower. Next, from 107, this is the Chaga Jelly Low pH Cleanser. I've spoken about this a few times. I was a big fan of it. Whether or not I would repurchase, the answer is probably. I really liked how gentle it was and how it felt on the skin, although recently I've been using the Caudalie Foaming Cleanser, and I think I like that one a little bit more. So it really depends. I could probably see myself circling back to this, but at this moment in time, not on my radar to immediately restock. I should really look at these bags and like dig what's inside before I start filming, but the Pattern Hydration Shampoo is also in it. This is the one I was talking about as the like every wash day shampoo. This one I'll use like every 2 or 3 days, and then the clarifying one I'll use maybe once a week or once every other week. I don't need it every single time I wash my hair, but this one is the one that I do like to use, and this combo is magical. I'm not going to spend too much more time talking about Pattern because I feel like I've already done that. From Tower 28, I went through another SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Super hydrating. It is a saline base, so it does really help to balance the skin. It's antibacterial, it's antimicrobial. As far as whether or not I would repurchase or restock it, the answer is not no, but lately I've been really into the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I have another one of these also in my bathroom. Those are a little bit more me. I like the fragrance a little bit more. I feel like it does a little bit more. And it's just as antibacterial, antimicrobial, but with some essential oils that I think give my skin a little bit more hydration, because it also has the organic grape water in it, which is more of an antioxidant. So whereas both of these kind of do the same thing, I think this one just does a little bit more. Another spray I have is the Tarte Maracuja Facial Mist. Loved this product, really upset when I ran out of it. Then I was going through my extras bin and I found that I have another one, so I'm not so upset anymore. You will see this again. This one is spitting and empty, but I have a brand new one that I'll be breaking out very soon. From Rituals, I went through the Ritual of Jing Deep Sleep Pillow Mist. It was a lavender pillow mist that I would just spray all over my pillow before I would get into bed. Absolutely beautiful. This like amped up my like nighttime routine by 1,000. I just love how nice everything smelled in my bedroom. I would probably say in the future I would use it. Right now I won't, because everything is going fall for me. I've got some pumpkin candles in the bedroom and everything just feels very fall. I think the jasmine is a little more spring summer for me, but I loved this product. You will see it again, just maybe not for the next few months. I decided to destock this. It's not completely empty, but this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Oil-Free Poreless Primer. They discontinued this about 3 years ago, and I had some extra tubs of it, or I guess tubes of it. So I kept them sealed, opened them recently, but this one's been open for about 1.5 years, and you know how I am with expired skincare, so I am going to part with it, as sad as I am, because it does no longer exist. Next, I have a DSDM Dark Skin Makeup Daily, DSMD Beauty Sponge. Amanda on Instagram, she has the Dark Skin Makeup Daily account where she really showcases products that are actually good for skin of all skin tones, specifically deeper complexions that tend to get neglected in the industry. I got a bunch of her sponges and they might be my favorite sponges. I have a bunch of these in my closet, so you'll definitely see it again. I try to change my sponges out every 90 days and it's been about that. So this one is on its way into retirement. I do have a brand new one that's actually purple from a collab that she did with Trend Mood. You're going to see that one soon because I want to use the purple one, but I'm a big fan. It's nice and soft. The porosity is good, so it's not soaking up too much of your product, and it really doesn't like feel heavy when you use it on the skin. Definitely one of the best sponges I've used. And the last item comes from, this is Essenherb. This is the Tea Tree Prebiotic Spot Gel. I was a big fan of this. Anywhere I felt like I had a breakout coming through, I would pop it on and it would help with the size of that irritation. I ran out. I do have it in the concentrated form, which is more like an oil spot treatment, so I will be using that, but unfortunately I'm out of this one. I liked it, but I think I'm going to go back to my Murad one that I loved forever, or Peter Thomas Roth just came out with one, so I think I might even look into that one, because I like to have a spot gel on hand with either tea tree or salicylic to help with breakouts that might be coming through the skin. My skin is good. I tend to not have too many breakouts, but it does happen from time to time, so I like to be prepared just in case. And that is my current empties and the trash from the past probably 4 or 5 weeks. Let me know your thoughts down below if you have any strong opinions on any of the items that I have showcased today. Let me know any of your thoughts. I would love to hear it. And let me know some of the products you've been finishing. When you let me know your empties, that's how I tend to know what I'm interested in trying. Because if you guys like it enough to finish it completely and repurchase it, it's usually a good sign that I should get my hands on it. So leave me those down below and I will see you all next time. Bye.